Sunday, December 9th, and it feels like forever since the last time that I made a vlog, because it has been forever. It's just that there's been so much going on in my life. For those of you who've been following along with my other videos on YouTube, I actually work a full-time job and then a contract job on top of that. Oh, and then I'm doing a master's program right now, which is kind of a crazy decision. But on top of all of that, making content like this and videos for my YouTube and photography and writing, that is actually the thing that gives me the most joy. So I have been in the season of trying to navigate all the things that are going on. So today, because it's Sunday, I'm gonna go out and enjoy nature, because that is just one of the things I realized this year gives me a lot of life and that I have to do if I want to feel sane and human, because I spend so much time in the car now, and there's just like every day I'm doing different projects and different work. I have gone on other hikes in the fall, as you've seen through my autumn leaves video. And let's just see what happens. I honestly have no idea if I'm even going to turn this into a vlog. I hope that I do though, because I just want to get back into the rhythm of sharing my life and this journey with you guys. And hopefully you'll enjoy some of the perspectives of the snow. All right, let's go on a little Sunday adventure. So the past couple of times I've been on hikes, all I brought was my drone, but today I'm gonna try carrying my tripod with me. I know it's gonna be a bit of a pain, but I think it's gonna be worth it. I decided to put on a tiny bit of makeup before I left. Mainly to experiment and to try. To be honest, one of the things that's kind of been a small obstacle to me making vlogs is figuring out how I want to look in these vlogs, because most of the time I don't actually wear makeup, but I've done a video, which for now is scheduled to come out in January, but maybe I'll release it sooner, all about how every YouTuber that we see is wearing makeup, and especially for women and girls, we're so used to seeing people with makeup that it's just like taken for granted. And it's actually something, I didn't grow up wearing makeup. No one in my family, immediate family, really wears makeup, and I think it's important to be able to be confident and feel authentically yourself even when you're not wearing makeup. So I don't know what I'm going to do with these vlogs yet, whether I'll wear makeup. I'll probably have a mix. Sometimes I'll wear just for the fun and the art of it, and then sometimes I won't, because like earlier I wasn't wearing makeup and I started picking up my camera and talking. So that's that. All right, here we go, off to nature, where no one cares if you're wearing makeup anyway. And I'm so excited. Being in nature for me is like a big exhale. I'm here! It's so quiet. I'm so happy. Whenever I'm driving out of the city, I get to a particular spot, I can always feel it. It's like all of the noise just disappears. And I start to feel like the calmness and the stillness again. So I'm here now, I've got my tripod. And this park actually has some really beautiful rock formations. It's so cool. It's like the land cracks, and you can see all the way down. So I don't know what it's gonna look like in the winter. We're about to see. I love it. I'm so glad I'm here. gonna make it down this way with my tripod. So I might find another way down. I made it down. Okay, that ended up being, I had to go climb down this. There's 2 ladders there with my tripod and this icy ladder. That ended up being a lot more adventurous than I thought it would be, but you can see in here, I'm like literally inside the rocks. You can see up there. Up there is where the other video you just saw was taken. Oh, I love feeling like I'm in the earth. This is such a nice little spot. Part of me wishes I could like make hot cocoa and make a fire and read a book sitting right here in this little cave. Here, let me show you guys around this way. I mean, this is not much of a cave, but there's little nooks and crannies where you really feel like you're in another world. Like right in here, you can see there's icicles over there, and it's just so pretty and so peaceful. Down this hill. So now I've made it down this big rocky crazy hill. I'm not sure how I will get back up, but I think it should be easier. I was using my tripod a little bit like a walking stick. Now there's a really pretty river and a little bridge and a bench in this area, so let's see if we can find it. and that beautiful little bridge. And I did it. This makes me so happy because it's Sunday after a full week of work, and I have wanted to do stuff like this, I mean, since I started again in June, but I just haven't found the energy and I wasn't sure if I could. And I've been on lots of nature walks and hikes on the weekends, but bringing my camera and my drone and my tripod and trying to capture it while also enjoying it was something that I wasn't sure I would be able to do or enjoy. But I have proven to myself now that I can do this, I can share it, I can capture it, and then later I'll deal with editing it. But I have a good feeling about this. And then we are going to head home and enjoy the rest of the Sunday evening, which is going to be 1,000 times better. And man, I just feel so, I'm gonna feel so like fulfilled and grateful that I did this. I hope you guys have enjoyed this time out in nature with me as well. I'm really doing a good job this year of learning to just embrace winter and love this season. And this is another sprinkle of my winter. Back home and I feel so refreshed and rejuvenated. I don't even know how it works exactly, but every time I spend a lot of time in nature and then I come back, I just feel totally different. I feel so much refreshed. Like this morning, Sunday morning, I was feeling kind of and kind of all up in my head and thinking stuff, but now I'm like, wow. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and this time out in nature with me. I will see you in the next one.